You are watching Morning Musings with Reinhard von Hennigs, chairman and founder of Bridge House Law in Charlotte, North Carolina.
Who is Kylie? Hello, this is Reinhard von Hennigs, and the question could also be, what is the battle of the two Kylies? It is a trademark war with global implication. Pop icon Kylie Minogue from Australia and US-based reality TV star Kylie Jenner found themselves in a legal dispute over, you may already guess it, the trademark Kylie. This is more than just a dispute between celebrities. This is more than a battle. It was a textbook case of brand protection. How can global intellectual property be protected? What are the rights? And more important, how does this feed in to the global business strategy of the two ladies? The legal battle points out that it is critical to secure a trademark before going into a market. So secure the trademark first before you enter the market. From a history point of view, Kylie Jenner attempted to procure the trademark in 2015, Kylie in the United States, for her use for entertainment and advertising. However, the Australian singer Kylie Minogue already had this trademark in use in commerce for decades, and she opposed the application. The argument was that Kylie would be too confusing, it could dilute her brand, and create, therefore, an uncertainty as to what the consumers want to go. The United States Patent and Trademark Office, USPTO, ultimately ruled in Kylie Minogue's favor and leaving Jenner only the chance to rebrand as Kylie Cosmetics. Why do trademarks matter? Trademarks are more than just legal protection. Trademark is, in a way, a valuable, maybe the most valuable business asset you have. You need to distinguish your product, and the best distinction is to have a trademark where people know that this is you, this is your company, and it also prevents competitors to do some cheap copying of your product or maybe even copying of your trademark. If you're thinking about global expansion, to have your market secured is also hand in hand with the need of having your trademark secured. And if you have your trademark secured, you need a trademark strategy. If you don't have one, it can cost you a legal battle or a certain confusion, just like we had it with the two Kylies. International trademark dispute like Kylie versus Kylie highlights that it is not just enough to file a trademark in one jurisdiction, you need to go in different other jurisdictions as well. The Madrid Protocol from the international trademark treaties facilitates the registration of trademarks in multiple countries. It also provides some relief within the jurisdictions where you are seeking relief. So we have an intersection, as always, between innovation and tradition, between going forward and stopping it here. And what we have right now here is an innovation between trademark protection and innovation. How can you bring the world, the products, the consumer products, the needs forward with innovation when certain brands are just blocking you with a reserved trademark? So in a way, if you're pushing forward innovation, you must make sure that the trademark which matches your innovation is also properly secured. A well-rounded strategy helps. It also gives you a better opportunity to grow globally and gives you also a chance to identify which market you may need to first secure before you can enter it. The Kylie trademark battle is a reminder that brand identity is a valuable asset for the company. And if you are trying to expand globally, don't forget about the trademark. How can businesses, global businesses, companies trying to enter different markets, turn intellectual property into a strategy, into a competitive advantage, rather than to have an afterthought legal liability? And that's the question.
Whether you're a private citizen, an international business leader, or simply someone eager to stay on top of the latest news, This book is a great way to get caught up on the most recent developments in the worlds of international business, tax, politics, and social affairs. Go to morningmusings.com and order your copy today.
Thank you for joining us today. If you would like more information about Bridge House Law, please visit our website at bridgehouse.law. Before you go, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more up-to-date content. Bridge House Law, business-minded, client-focused.